એનસીસી લિમિટેડના મેનેજમેન્ટ છે. ઓવરઓલ રિઝલ્ટ્સની ઉપર વાતચીત કરવા માટે આપણી સાથે કંપનીના એક્ઝિક્યુટિવ વીપી फाइनेंस वाईडी मूर्ति जोड़ाई चुका है. शुक्रिया सर मेरे साथ आज जुड़ने के लिए. सबसे पहले तो वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून. शुरुआत मैं इसी से करना चाह रही थी क्योंकि रिसेंटली हम लोगों ने एक पिकअप देखा है पूरे सेक्टर के लिए. चीज़ें कैसे बेटर टर्न आउट हो रही है, मुझे बाकी के ऑर्डर्स नए ऑर्डर्स पे बातचीत करनी है, लेकिन एक कंपैरिजन से शुरुआत करते हैं. प्री कोविड लेवल्स पे किस तरीके से हम लोग वापस आ रहे हैं, चीज़ें किस तरीके से थोड़ी स्टेबलाइज हो रही है, पूरा एक सेक्टोरल आउटलुक शुरुआत करें उससे पहले.
थैंक यू. हमने देखा है कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री में अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट आ चुका है. फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में हमारा कंपनी ने टॉप लाइन 58% ग्रोथ डिक्लेयर किया है कंपेयर टू फर्स्ट क्वार्टर ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर, and that trend is likely to continue for the remaining quarters of FY22. We are looking at FY22 a top line growth of almost 25% compared to the last year. When the economy is expected to grow around 9 to 9.5% in FY22, we are definitely likely to grow at 25%, which is definitely far better than the growth of the Indian economy. And as far as our company is concerned, we are sitting on a good order book of almost 40,000 crores. That gives us the confidence. The execution has improved very substantially. We already reached the pre-pandemic level in terms of execution. So that gives us the confidence going forward. Things will be good, not only for our company but the entire construction industry. The order acquisition also has improved substantially. Government agencies are coming out with a lot of projects to kickstart the economy, and we are able to take advantage of that. In the first 6 months of the current year, we already bagged about 5,300 crores of orders, and further order acquisition is also expected in the second half of the current financial year.
Okay. बिफोर वी मूव फॉरवर्ड सर, मैं ये समझना चाह रही थी रिसेंटली जो ऑर्डर्स आपने जीते हैं तकरीबन 400 से 450 करोड़ के, किस कैटेगरी में है ऑर्डर बुक, इसकी वजह से कितनी और इम्प्रूव हो चुकी है, और साथ ही इन टर्म्स ऑफ मार्जिन्स यहाँ से कैसे इम्पैक्ट आता हुआ देख पाएंगे?
Yeah, in the month of September, we bagged 2 orders totaling 440 crores. One is in the buildings division and other is in the water division. With this, the total order acquisition, that is fresh orders in FY22 in the first half, that is April to September, has gone to 5,300 crores. And we have become L1 for another 2,000 crores of orders. Though the letters of intent are yet to be received by us, which is expected in the current month, in the month of October. So order acquisition momentum has picked up nicely, and that is likely to continue in the third and fourth quarter of the current financial year. We are sitting in an order book of 40,000 crores. Execution has picked up, as I told you already, and with all these things, we are comfortably placed.
ओके, अग्रीड सर. अच्छा, क्योंकि आप बता रहे हैं फर्स्ट हाफ में ऑलरेडी इतने ऑर्डर्स क्लॉक इन हो चुके हैं, FY22 एंड होते होते मैं किस तरीके से एक्सपेक्ट करूं पूरा जो मोमेंटम पिकअप हो रहा है, पेसअप हो रहा है, उसकी वजह से
around 14,000 crores of fresh order acquisition we are targeting for the current financial year.
ओके, अग्रीड सर. अच्छा, एक सिचुएशन जो मुझे आपसे खास डिस्कस करनी थी वो इन टर्म्स ऑफ इनपुट कॉस्ट सिनारियो था, क्योंकि जितने भी प्लेयर्स के साथ मैं बातचीत कर रही हूँ यहाँ से थोड़ा प्रेशर दिख भी रहा था. वो नॉर्मलाइज होते होते आप कितना टाइम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, और चूंकि हम लोग ऑलरेडी Q2 में है, कब तक ये थोड़ा इम्पैक्ट करने की आप विजिबिलिटी देख रहे हैं? एक आइडिया अगर आप मुझे दे पाए मार्जिन के फ्रंट पे, क्या एक्सपेक्ट करूं मैं नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर में?
जहाँ तक सवाल है, steel prices have gone up very high. Cement prices also have gone up somewhat high in the last year. In FY21, at a gross profit or gross margin level, we have suffered a reduction in the gross margin by about 1.5%. But nevertheless, as far as FY21 is concerned, we were able to maintain EBITDA margin around 11.75% or so. Now the steel prices have started coming down to some extent. That is a big relief to construction companies like us. And FY22, we are confident EBITDA margin can be maintained between 11.75 to 12%, and net profit margin between 3.5 to 4%.
इन टर्म्स ऑफ डेट वहाँ पे कुछ रिडक्शन का प्लान है अगर क्योंकि आप पिछली बार जब हम लोग बातचीत कर रहे थे आप बता रहे थे कि FY22 खत्म होते होते और थोड़ा सर्विस डाउन करेंगे, उसको लेकर क्या अपडेट्स हैं?
अभी डेट जो कंपनी के बुक्स में है दैट इज अराउंड 1,800 crores at the end of the second quarter. We are confident that can be brought down to about 1,500 to 1,600 crores by the end of the current financial year.
अग्रीड सर. और एक और चीज़ जो मुझे समझनी थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ वाइजैग यूनिट, वहाँ से क्या अपडेट्स आ रही है, क्या उसको लेकर कुछ डाइवर्समेंट का प्लान फ्रुक्टिफाई हुआ है, आगे कुछ शेयर कर पाए अगर मेरे साथ आप?
या बिल्कुल. NCC Vizag Urban, we are planning to monetize. We want to exit from that project. It is a 100 crore development project given to us in an auction by AP Housing Board way back in 2006, 2007, like that. Because of a variety of reasons that could not be completed. And now we requested the state government to convert that into a freehold property so that we can sell off the property. We have identified an investor who is showing interest in buying our stake in that project. The state government already, the cabinet has given the approval for conversion into the development project into a freehold property. And for that, we have to pay the revenue fees, revenue share, for which they formed a consultant, and their report is also accepted by the state government. All these things are likely to be completed by the end of the current financial year. And if that happens, we are likely to get around 300 to 350 crores as our share of investment in the project. That money will be available to us to bring down the debt in the project in the parent company.
अग्रीड सर. एंड वन मोर थिंग, एक आइडिया ऑन द लिक्विडिटी फ्रंट, क्योंकि लिक्विडिटी जो सिचुएशन है वो थोड़ी बहुत टाइटन होते हुए हम लोगों ने देखा था पिछले साल में, वहाँ से अब तक थोड़ा चीज़ें नॉर्मलाइज हो चुकी है, लेकिन एक आइडिया पूरे सेक्टर के लिए कैसे वर्कआउट हो रहा है, कितना इम्प्रूवमेंट आप देख रहे हैं सरकार की तरफ से? आई एग्री, यहाँ से पुश करने के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स हो रहे हैं, लेकिन नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 ईयर्स के लिए अब ये जितने भी सेगमेंट्स की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, आपका ऑर्डर बुक भी ब्रेकअप हम लोग जानते हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा सेगमेंट्स में आप ऑलरेडी काम कर रहे हैं, वो किस तरीके से आगे बढ़ता हुआ देख रहे हैं?
Liquidity position has improved to a large extent last year because of COVID-19. Government has given certain measures and also directed various agencies to see that the payments are made to contractors faster and quicker. Because once the contractor is paid, he in turn will be able to pay the suppliers, subcontractors, labor, etc., pay to the banks. All these things are there. And that process has started, and that is helping us in terms of liquidity management. Last year, over a period of 3 months, for example, National Highway Authority of India released payments of nearly 30,000 crores to various construction companies in the country. That tempo is being maintained as far as the central government agencies are concerned, and the payment cycle has improved for us. But as far as the state governments are concerned, because their focus is on welfare measures and healthcare measures because of COVID-19, in some states we are finding it a little more difficult to get the payments on time. But by and large, payments are coming, not much of a problem. Central government, absolutely there is no problem. We are dealing with agencies like Airport Authority of India, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, defense projects. In all these projects, if the work is done and bill is certified, payments are coming on time. We are doing the MSRDC project also, Nagpur Mumbai Expressway, a big package of about 2,850 crores given to us. I'm glad to inform you that almost 95% of the project has been completed despite the pandemic, despite labor shortage, etc. The project company, the SPV, is also able to declare financial closure, and so the money is available on tap. The new government in the state of Maharashtra is also supporting the project. So payments are coming faster and quicker. So we are able to complete the project almost 95%.
ओके अग्रीड एंड लास्ट थिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ टॉप लाइन एंड बॉटम लाइन FY19 के जो फिगर्स थे क्या हम लोग इस साल इतने तक पहुंच पाएंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेवेन्यूज एक आइडिया अगर आप मुझे दे पाएं
ये हमारा बोर्ड में डिस्कस हुआ था बिकॉज ऑफ पेंडेमिक एंड बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड थर्ड फेज एटसेट्रा our board has felt that no guidance can be given. So that is the official position as far as top line for FY22 is concerned. But we are confident, on a personal note I am telling, around 20-25% top line growth we are expecting compared to last year.
ओके अग्रीड सर बिल्कुल बहुत बहुत